Hello friends, today I'll be telling you about how chronic anxiety can harm your body. So as you know, anxiety is part of our body's stress response system, and anxiety can sometimes be very uncomfortable, it can sometimes be overwhelming, and sometimes it can be a plain confusion. So the sympathetic nervous system of your body, which controls our involuntary process such as our heartbeat and our breathing. When we have an anxiety attack, our heart rate and our breathing increases, which forces our adrenaline glands to release adrenaline and cortisol, the two crucial hormones that response to our body's fight, flight, and freeze response, and also prompt anxiety physical symptoms. What are the physical symptoms you may face when you have an anxiety attack or you have an anxiety issue? So, number one is you have to look for your BP. If your BP is constantly rising, or if you are having a tachycardia, means your heart rate is increasing, you are sweating in a stressful situation, or thinking of a situation, or you are feeling shortness of breath, like you are having difficulty in breathing. Other than the physical symptoms, anxiety can show up in many ways. Number one is any individual suffering from anxiety may perceive things or situations as threatening as it is not so. Secondly, they may go to greater lengths to avoid uncomfortable situations. And thirdly, they may spend their day planning or thinking about the solutions for the worst case scenarios. Individuals suffering from anxiety are mostly indecisive and fearful for making wrong decisions. They almost every day find themselves very restless, keyed up, and unrelaxed. So it is very difficult to make a distinction between temporary anxiety, circumstantial anxiety, or a severe anxiety. Neither there is any kind of blood test for any mental illnesses, neither it is for anxiety. So whenever you face in circumstantial anxiety which resolves on the solved problem, but at times even when the problem is solved, the anxiety is not resolved, and it may persist with the other situation as well. Almost everybody faces anxiety, and it can become a disorder if it interferes with your behavioral choices or as you wish to do with your life. And secondly, if you neglect the circumstantial anxiety or temporary anxiety, it can turn into a severe anxiety disorder known as chronic anxiety disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, panic attack, panic anxiety disorder. It can also turn into social anxiety disorder, post traumatic stress disorder, obsessive. So, guys, if you want to know more about any mental health related issues or anxiety disorder, you can write me on or comment me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and you could also suggest me for which topic should I make my next video on. जानिए अपने मानसिक स्वास्थ्य का हाल विद डॉक्टर अंकित राल।